Okay, now I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. I am not the fastest solver. You can find some Romanian teens, no, Hungarian teens. They'll solve it for you in about 6 seconds. I'm not going to get to 6 seconds, but I think in life I could probably figure out how to do it in 2 minutes, which would be cool. I've done it in under 3 before, which was neat. Not usually while yakking, but I should probably concentrate if I want to like do it super fast, but I also enjoy talking. So I just solve it layer by layer, just like they tell you to in the booklet, which is how I learned, by memorizing the algorithms that come in the booklet with the Rubik's Cube. This is a speed cube from China, recommended by my friend Jarvis, who was able to solve the Rubik's Cube, he said, it consistently in a minute. That's pretty cool for him. Again, I am shooting for 2 at some point in life, but probably not this time because I'm going slow and yakking. But almost gotten both the top 2 layers, just layer by layer. Just like they tell you in the booklet. See, top 2 layers are done. Sweet. Now do the bottom corners. Awesome, awesome. This is the part I have to think about, getting the orientation of the corners correct. Let's see. 1, 2, 2. This would be 3, 2, 1. No, this would be 3, 1, 1, 1. Great. To like talk it out. But I'm hoping eventually it'll be like Minesweeper, where you don't have to, you just see the pattern and react. And it happens at more of a brainstem level. You don't have to put conscious thought into it. Cool. Alright. Corners are in and the orientation, and now it's just these bottom faces. So this requires just one more sequence. Awesome. And that's it. I did the Rubik's Cube in 3 minutes. Woo! Even while yakking.